everyone, welcome to the channel. So for today's video, we are learning part 2 of the jazz series, which is the final half of the dance. So if you are new here and you haven't seen part 1, I highly recommend checking that video out first, and I will have it linked below. And I highly recommend checking it out because we learned the first half of the dance in that video. So for today's video, we are learning the last half, the final half today. So if you guys happen to like today's video, the whole dance, then let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel because it'll help you guys know when my next video comes out. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. Okay, so for part 2, we're gonna start where we finish off with part 1. So part 1, for those that know, we're here ending on 7-8. We're up on releve, 7-8. Now from here, continuing to part 2. That foot that's up, you're gonna step across. So I'm stepping my right foot out, but like I said in part 1, you can use your right or left, doesn't matter. So I step with that right foot, and then I'm gonna step out with the other foot. So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do it again, and you're gonna kind of make a quarter turn. I'm making a quarter turn to my left. You're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we finish here with part 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is an arm movement as well. You're going to, every time you step, after you step, you're going to snap. So step, snap, step, snap, step, snap, step, snap. So taking it from here, we end on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, I'm just kind of, I have my hand up, bring it down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And for those that aren't the best at snapping or can't really snap, just fake it till you make it, just pretend. So going from here, ready, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, I'm leaning into it, so really lean into that movement. Let's do it again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the other hand that's just hanging down, we're actually going to bring it to our waist. So let's do it one more time. We're here on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay, next part. We're going to take 3 walks behind our chair. So I'm stepping right, left, right. You can step left, left, right, left, doesn't matter. So let's give it a try. We're going to walk right, left, right. And on that last step, I have my feet apart, nice and sharp, dramatic. Hands are going to come on our chair, like that. So, taking those 3 walks behind our chair, we walk 1, 2, 3. Good. Really hit that chair. Nice. Let's try it again. Ready, and we walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. We're going to do a little bit more. We'll add on. We're going to do swinging your hips. I'm going to take it right, left. But you can take it whichever way you want. So we're going to swing, swing, swing. And nice and sharp, nice and dramatic, really hit those movements. Swing, swing. Good. So we'll end it there. Well, we're not ending it there, but we're going to start from the top of part 2 and go to there. Here. And 5, sorry, on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6. Good. Next part. You're going to slide out to your right or left. I'm sliding to my right, and your arms are going to be out like this. So there you have your elbows bent, and you're going to imagine you like zap, like something just stung. So one hand's up, one hand's out to the side, zap, and then you bring it in. So it's like sharp, slide it back, sharp, slide it back. So I'm using my right hand, left hand, sharp, bring it in, and sharp, bring it in. Good, one more time, sharp, bring it in. So we're going to do that as we slide out. So I'm sliding to my right with how much space I have, not a lot, but it's okay. Do what you can. So here we go. So we do our hips for 5, 6. I'm going to slide 7, 8. So hit, bring it in. Good, let's try that again. Hold for 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. let's take it from the top of part 2. We're here, we end here for part 1, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So I slide that foot in as I slide out to my right. Slide, slowly bring it in on 7, 8. Now that foot that was sliding in is going to come out in front. Bring it in front of you. You're going to hold for 1, 2. I'm using my left foot. 1, 2. Now, the foot that's behind is going to come in front. And you're going to make a half turn. You're going to turn to your right or left, depending on what foot you have in front. I have my right foot in front. For those that have their right foot in front, we're going to turn to our left. Turn and stop. Now, you're going to bring that right foot in front again. And you're going to make another half turn. Turn to your left. Stop. Good. So we're here on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Those are the counts. Let's try it again. Let's go from the hips. 4, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So you want to turn around on 1, 2. Just make sure, as long as you turn around on 1, 2, you're good. Let's take it from the top of part 2. Just want to make sure we're clear on that. And 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Next part. So we're here, we hold for 1, 2. Now you're going to do a pose on 3, 4. So your feet are going to come together, hands are going to come out, nice and sharp. So we're here for 1, 2. Now try it. 3, 4. Very sharp, precise. So we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 5, 6. You're going to do another pose. Hands are going to go on your hips. Feet are going to be apart for 7, 8. So we're here for 5, 6, another sharp pose, 7, 8. Good. So we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to go down. You're going to bring your head down. You're going to take it right or left. You're going to go all the way down. So bring yourself all the way down and then up. And you're going to do it for a full count of 8. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take it nice and slow, precise, very relaxed. We go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's take it from the hips, taking it, hold for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost done now, so let's take it from the top and then we'll add the last bit on. Okay, we're here for 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to either travel to your right or left. Now, as you can see, I don't have that much space to travel or I'll bang into the door. So I'm going to take it to my left, and what you're going to do, this is the last part, so you're going to try to get yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself off stage, off camera, where no one can see you. So what we're going to do is you're going to step. I'm stepping on my left foot, step, and then you're going to cross the other foot. Step, cross, step, cross until no one can see you and you're fully off. So again, we came up on 7, 8. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, continuing off. So for your arm, because there is an arm movement, you're just going to swing, 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 swing. It's like, it almost seems a little bit like, kind of like a wand or something, like you're whipping the wand, like a whip, whip in a way. Seems like that. So, or it feels like it. So you're going to step, as you do that, you're going to try it with the arm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can add some snaps to it if you want. And the other hand can be down or by your hip. So I either do my hand by my hip or my hand down. It kind of switches up depending on the mood. So it doesn't really matter. So you can add a snap to it if you want. So let's try it with the snap. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, continuing off. And that is the whole part 2 of the dance. So what we'll do is we'll run the dance once, just part 2, and then we'll add in part 1 and 2 all together. And if you guys want to see it with the music, again, it will be linked below. So taking it from the top of part 2, we finish here on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going until you're off. Okay, I would like to add part 1 now into it and continuing with part 2. So, you guys remember part 1 where we start? We're sitting on our chair, leaning back, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's new dance. Now, if you want to see the whole dance with music, I will have it linked below. And if you guys like today's dance, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!